not bad. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I have a gimbal tracking mod on. I'm trying it out. It's the first time that I'm using it. So without being said, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Lena. I'm a Zimbabwean YouTuber based in the United Arab Emirates. On this channel, I document my life in United Arab Emirates. So if you have any questions, please feel free to pop them in the comment section below. Just do it! Without further ado, welcome back to a weekly vlog. I'm expecting this vlog to air on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. I am starting this vlog by unboxing my Namshi order. So on this order, let me put this a bit behind. So on this order, what I did was I ordered some running shoes that I mentioned in my previous video. I just can't wait to use them because in 2 days time on Friday, I'll be going to Dubai. I reside in Abu Dhabi, so I'll be going to Dubai on my off day, and I want to use those shoes so bad. I want to wear like a sporty attire. I just can't wait to use them, and I'm just gonna unbox it. I also bought like my mom some dresses, so I'm gonna show you guys. In December, I'm traveling back at home in Zimbabwe. I don't want the last minute rush of getting ready last minute. Sorry, I'm getting some messages from my boss. I don't want to like get ready last minute and it will be chaotic. What I do is every time I'm buying something, if I go to the mall, I just shop a bit for the stuff I want to go home with. I just want one suitcase that has my mom's clothes, my son's clothes, and the other suitcase will be filled with chocolates because guys, I don't want to lie. 4 years in Dubai, this is my 5th year, but let's just say 5 years in Dubai, I realized that buying clothes for people is a waste of time. Trust me. People remember things like chocolate more than they remember food. Instead, if you give them chocolate, I think it makes them happy more. I don't know. It's my view. That's how I saw from the response I got from the people who was gifting clothes. Let's just find out what I bought. If the dresses are small, because I have kept this box for a little over 2 weeks, and the returning policy says 14 days. If the clothes do not fit, I'm just gonna find somewhere to fit. Okay, not bad. These are the shoes. Okay, I'll show you when I actually wear them, okay? Dresses. This is the dress. This is the dress. I like it. The upper body, like here. I also bought some sunglasses. I'm going to the mall. I'm also going to take you guys to the mall. So this vlog is going to be a bit long. If I take them to Zimbabwe, guys, they steal. Do you know what? I was checking on my last year's Shein order. Okay. Not my style. No, this is not my style. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I think I'm gonna give them to someone because I think I'm not a mono any wider face, I think. If that makes sense, see? I think I'm not a any wider face. I think I have one toxic trait that needs to be fixed. I came to the mall to buy my boys blanket for school, but here I am in Pretty Little Things. I'm in Forever 21 and I have a whole cart full of things. Like, I just can't resist what I'm seeing here.
Don't know what's inside my cup, but I know what it'll do to me. I'm taking fucking pictures with bitches that love my jewelry. They blinded by the riches, admitting it's nothing new to me. They wanna fall in love, but I know what that shit gon' do to me. That gon' fuck me up, like I'm mixing drugs, smiling with the other stuff. Oh, that lift
this one out.
Oh, that lift
These are nice.
Oh, that lift me up and shit.
These are just 40 dirhams, but they're heavy. Like, who's gonna walk around in these? I admire them when someone else is wearing them. Look at these ones that I'm wearing, these slobs. They're just so light. I wish they were light. This one is really cute. I think I got an orange top. Let me see if I can buy that one, because I have an orange top. Can I just get that one? But I think the color is too dramatic. This is the orange top I took. Or maybe I'll just find some shoes on Shein. Oh, this looks kinda cute. Trust me, they do. Maybe I might check them. Yeah, and it's definitely my size. Let me try them on and see how they look on me. I don't like the sole. Like, the sole is ridiculously heavy. Let's see. Wow, they look cute, but I don't think I'm feeling them. Okay, it's small. It's actually my size, but it's small. See? Here, small. So I'm just gonna leave them. I guess I found the perfect excuse to leave them. And what size is this? Same size. I'm seeing these ones. I don't think they have her. They're heavy. Same size, but I don't like them. They're not heavy, but I'm not feeling this. So it's too big. It's too big, like way too big. This is definitely cute. I will buy those for my mom. Anyway, I think we are done. Let me check out, because if I don't check out, I'm gonna buy things that I will regret buying later. Oh, this is definitely not heavy, but the color, the color, we are not friends. Wow, this is nice, but I can get it on Shein. Like, I can get the same thing on Shein on a lesser price because it's too small. Anyway, let's check out, guys.
Chilling in this heat, sitting on 2 feet, cause I don't wanna sit still. Don't ask for a beat if you can't even lease, cause you know these drums ill. I can't put it in the words, maybe I'll put it in the verse. All a blessing, not a curse. Creativity is made what really hurts, so don't stray from me.
Okay guys, so as unorganized as I am, I just happily spent 185. I think it's quite little than I expected, because I expected them to at least cost 300, but I spent less. I don't know if we should celebrate on that, or because I'm very unorganized. Like, this wasn't planned. Ooh, guys, let me show you Forever.
Very first time I'm proudly standing tall. I do it all. If I
I think we should definitely plan a date in Forever Rose. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Forever Rose is owned by one of Dubai Bling's casts. His name was... I hated his character. I liked him and I hated him. He's the owner of Forever Rose, and it's really like, it's really fancy, like not fancy, but it's aesthetic pleasing. Anyway, I'm headed to Centrepoint. Why am I even bothering speaking in English? Guys, I'm looking at Centrepoint. That's when I'm gonna buy stuff for the boy. I'm finally gonna go do what I said I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, Centrepoint is right here. Actually, I'm gonna ground myself. Next time I come to the mall, if it's not planned, I'm gonna leave my card at home. I actually plan to leave my card at home, but I don't know, I end up carrying it because I know every time I come to the mall I feel like, okay, let me just check out stuff, let me check out some things. Anyway, I'm at Centrepoint now. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog.
Better than your past version of yourself if every day you don't try to improve. That's why I write these rhymes staring at blue light. I'm grateful I was gifted with the sense of sight, and yet we turn a blind eye. You don't know your own regrets, still you're facing death. All of a sudden you're out of time. Yeah. I don't know, you might be, but
Found something like this.
Heard it all the way through.
Yeah, I think this one will work. But I'll take a grey color since it's for school. 80 by 100. I don't know how big that is. I'm gonna trust my instinct because 𝘬𝘰𝘶𝘳𝘵. And so there's something cool aesthetic. No a blanket and sheet. And that's it. And I know my sheets are okay. Muslims, so I don't know. I'm not doing that. I think sheets are 𝘰𝘰𝘮𝘳𝘦, but I'm squeezed it. But this looks like the size because something 𝘰𝘰𝘮𝘳𝘦 so I'm just very much. It's in it as a and kwanise kumavura kana kadaiso have and kwanise kumavura. Okay, at least ndona chandrukuda. Let me first find shit. Nongoda something chokwaritira pasi, but chine size yakati korere. Like you guys see this, but my measurements manage. How big is this? I don't think it's wide or not small. Really small and affordable. Yo, guys, the trying to go giftation. Look at this, look how cute this is. Not I'm going to get a shopping chat. Yeah, they might go experiment. I'll just give birth to shopping. When I'm done, 𝘰𝘰𝘮𝘳𝘦. Because this is something I want. No, my blankets are like 100 by 100. We can get 100 by 80. And 𝘊𝘯𝘵𝘐, guys. You want to get it out. 80 by 90, 80 by 90. That's 100 by 100, but Kagan's a baby. My boy is not a baby, he's a toddler. Don't they have anything for toddlers? Guys. Blanket, blanket. What's this? This can serve as a sheet, right? What's this? What is this? Enough of me blabbering.
You can let your head down, baby, go swim. Now at the moment, I've been coming way down more often. Yeah, you can come and break down on morning. You can let your head down, baby, go swim. I don't know shit now, I've been warning. I go get my shit now, you'll be mourning. I tell them good job, pal, good morning. Hold my words, let my tongue bleed. Swallow my pride and make it like me. Bags in the eyes, they hold some weight now. Punch in, punch out, put your lights out. I was brain wild, never snuffed out. Y'all puffing on my chest, get your best years. Y'all still here.
Katimbo Tarisa. What is this? Hey, my shit and Rukoda. 170 by 130 by 20. Crib. Apana wambili. I'm chatting about anything to below 100 by 100. I don't know. I'm just confident that you know it's the right size according to his height. To see fake a baby sheet. I'm gonna my sheet footage sheet or some pillow. I think this one will be good. 130 by 170. I think we can take this. Baby sheets. But let me look for color or come none. Where's this one? Is it too bland? Let's talk about this one. This looks good. The cover one, the shouldn't be out in this water. But in the association, and what to a number to go to cherry plantage. Because I'm going to my shit chest. But in the Jiramanch. Hi guys, how are you doing? Let me just say I feel so defeated. All this while I was recording a vlog and I connected actually I didn't connect, it auto connected because my Bluetooth was on. So my phone the Bluetooth was connected to my phone. That means everything that I was saying in the vlog was muted because my earphones were actually in my bag, so you can't hear anything that I said, and that means I have to do a voiceover when I'm editing. What's going on in my t-shirt? I have to do a voiceover when I'm editing. That's so disappointing. Anyway guys, I'm done shopping. I'm going downstairs to find the text in the banana combo. So that's pretty much it. And then there's a bit of
I'm like the brake, I push the 8th gear. I later